unlocking fitness success with intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating. I lost 30 pounds in 3 months with intermittent fasting. Here's my exact routine. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive into how intermittent fasting can transform your health. With the right strategy, a powerful meal plan, and real success stories, you can reach your fitness goals faster than ever. Intermittent fasting isn't just a buzzword. It's a science-backed method that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. By narrowing your eating window, you allow your body to burn fat more efficiently, balance insulin levels, and even boost your metabolism. But why is it viral? It works. Millions embrace intermittent fasting for sustainable weight loss and improved energy. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this tool adapts to your lifestyle, making it easier to stay on track with your wellness goals. Let me tell you how intermittent fasting changed my life. I adopted a 16-8 method, 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour eating window. Within weeks, my energy skyrocketed and the pounds started melting away. The key? Consistency. Pairing fasting with balanced meals made all the difference. Over 3 months, I lost 30 pounds without starving myself or sacrificing favorite foods. If I can do it, so can you. Let's break down the science. During fasting, your body turns to stored fat for energy after glucose runs low. This process, called ketosis, is a fat-burning powerhouse. It also reduces inflammation, supports heart health, and boosts cellular repair. Studies reveal fasting improves mental clarity and lowers the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. By eating in time-restricted windows, you're giving your body the rest it needs to optimize digestion and recovery. Don't just take my word for it. Meet Sarah, who credits intermittent fasting for her 20-pound weight loss in 10 weeks, or Jake, who combined fasting with workouts to build lean muscle and control cravings. These stories prove it's possible to adjust intermittent fasting to fit different goals. Whether you seek weight loss, improved focus, or higher energy, it works. To get you started, here's a simple 7-day meal plan for the 16-8-8 method. Day 1 to 3. Stick to protein-rich breakfasts like eggs and avocado toast. For lunch, opt for grilled chicken salads, and dinner can be a light stir-fry with veggies. Day 4 to 7, introduce whole grains like quinoa, healthy snacks, e.g. nuts, and hydrating drinks like herbal teas to stay fueled. Pro tip, stay hydrated with water during fasts and avoid sugary drinks to keep your results on track. Starting is the hardest part. Begin with a shorter fasting window like 12-12 and gradually shift to 16-8 for an easier transition. Meal prep ahead so you're not tempted by unhealthy options during your eating window. And remember, progress is a journey. Celebrate small wins. Every fast helps your body heal and get stronger. Now's the time to take action. Set your fasting schedule, try the 7-day meal plan, and focus on your goals. Join millions who've unlocked their fitness potential through intermittent fasting. Like this video, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below about your fasting journey. Let's motivate each other to achieve greatness, starting today.